now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful start. Get him over, get him over, get him over.
Out, you gotta move up front move.
Nobody's going to run away with this one.
Jay, have him move.
You guys have a ton of time. Nice, nice, nice. I love it. We got Kohler out front. Kohler. We got Kridler. 2. Cooper, 3. The old T3 or T4. Bowman. He's going for that third spot. He's right there on the bumper. Getting ready to take it. Cooper cuts him off. And he'll hold on to it. So again, Kohler, Gary, Bowman, Cooper, Sal, Scott. And where's Colin? Wow. Everybody beat Colin today. Watch the crossover, watch the crossover, double. Everything's
first
clear.
place with a 19-lap 5:13.5 pace.
Gary, that blue truck in front of you is position. It's the lead. Dave Bowman, you want that red one in front of you.
17-lap 5:08.6 pace. Followed by Matt Cooper in 4th place with a 17-lap 5:13.9 pace.
Our leader is running Johnsky's old 23 X-Ray XT2. He's like, maybe I should have kept it. Well, I say that and crosses over, still stays in front of Gary. Gary gets it wrong, trying to do it behind you. The breathing room.
What are you doing?
Oh, that puts Bowman up to the second spot, right on the bumper of Kohler. Kohler gets it wrong.
The top
Bowman to the lead.
in 1st place with a 19-lap 5:13.
Oh, he gets it wrong. Kohler's going to take it back.
Dave Bowman in 2nd place with a 19-lap
Carson down there, drops him right in front of Kohler.
Followed by Gary in
Oh, it's battle. At the wall right, who's going to get this clean? They both get through nicely.
4th place with a 17-lap 5:11.
Both get the crossover, both get the double. Nice clean battle, 1 and 2, nose to tail, being polite. All right, 2.5 down, 2.5 to go. It's still Kohler, Bowman, Sev. Looks like Cooper's now up to the 4th spot. Gary's down to 5. Scott, you're 6th. Oh, now 1, 2, and 3 are at the exact same section of the track as they cross the wall. Bowman goes underneath. Can't get it. Gets to his bumper. That horsepower from there. Ends up falling a little short. Oh, his body's off.
Pull it.
Pull it with his body off.
David in 1st place with a 18-lap 5:0.4 pace. Followed by Dave Bowman in 2nd place with a 18-lap 5:0.9 pace. Followed by Tom Sev in 3rd place with the 18-lap 5:01.8
All right, minute 40, minute 40.
Followed by
Sev, Kohler, Matt.
place with the
That's our running order.
18-lap 5:09.8
Oh, it's like
pace.
Gary taking that 3rd spot away from Matt. And Kohler hold it for his first stadium truck win. Not doing that because here comes Gary. You guys need to catch Tom Sev in front of you. Tom's got nothing but clean track. He's out for a Sunday drive. Gary tries to take it away from Kohler. Can't do it. There's Tom Sev. Tom has a 4.3 second lead over 2 and 3. Matt Cooper's right there. He wants that bottom step of the podium.
In 1st place with a 19-lap 5:10.3 pace. Followed by Sir David in 2nd place with a 19-lap 5:16.2 pace.
There he goes for the Hail Mary. Almost makes it stick, but he gets to the inside this time. That's crossover. Matt Cooper's right there. Matt goes to the inside. He jumps 2 positions in that one jump. Awesome move. That puts Cooper in the 2nd spot. Kohler, Gary, 3, 4. Tom Sev is still out there with a 6-second lead. He just needs to be clean, and he's got this thing wrapped up. Cooper and Kohler battling it out. No one wants to give it. Go for it, guys. Get ready for your final 10 countdown. Oh!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scott Cavallo is done.
Scott bought the line first. Gary
Matt Cooper done.
Cooper decides to go
Tom Seb done.
last through that line.
That's why that little kid
And we got Kohler coming through, taking second place. Thompson
All
takes
practice are
it.
finished.
Kohler 2, Gary 3. That's your